Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the orange dandelion seeds in Heartopia. So in this spring season, Heartopia has a new event that called Dreamlight Cinematic. And at this event, Heartopia introduced a brand new flower that called dandelions like this. And you can buy this starter seed from the NPC plant in three colors, red, white, and yellow. But don't worry, you can unlock many more colors using crossbreeding. And today I will show you how to get the orange dandelion seed. First, make sure you already the seeds flower, and now for the breeding setup, you can plant these three combinations, red, yellow, and white flowers. With this layout, just plant it alternately like this. You can just copy my plant layout like this, and after planting just water them and then wait until they bloom like this, but don't harvest the flower yet. Keep watering daily and eventually you will see a floating seeds appear above the plant. That means crossbreeding work, and usually these crossbreeding seeds appear in the morning in the game. And to speed up, you can also ask your friends to help water your plants. And from my experience, this really increases the spawn rate of crossbreeding seeds. And in my case, my crossbreeding also produces an orange dandelions from this layout like this from the yellow and red flower. And okay, that's how you can get the orange dandelion seeds in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!